Today we talk about how can you select contact email on your Google Chrome app. We're going to figure out the selection or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you, or you just click here on your photo profile, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on manage your Google account. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on personal info here. Just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. You go down, just keep going down, then you click here on email here. So then you go down, you come here to contact email, click in this sign here. Then here you select here your contact email in this list here, or here add other email. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.